Okay, room 9682. It's an accessibility room. Alright, so here's the room. So this is the room here. So this is the main area. Got your bed, plenty of storage underneath. Got cabinets, we got Merida, nice. There's Merida. There's a bunk up top that drops down. You got another sofa bed here. You have all your lighting controls here, and downlight and artwork. Lights, it's beautiful. So got obviously television. It's a pretty big area. Then you have all your storage in here. Lights up when you open it. So plenty of nice storage. You got another one here. This has your safe, and then another cabinet. This is the loo. So since this is an accessibility, you'll notice there's no step up here like there normally is. You have your commode, grab bars, emergency button, storage, accessibility, roll right under. There you go. And this only has a shower. There's no tub in this room. So there's your shower. You got your hand controls right there. You have a seat as well. So that's nice. Yeah. You have your mirror and dressing table and all of that. Here's some of our gifts that we got. And refrigeration is down here. You got a refrigerator drawer. Okay. This is our balcony for the room. And now just gotta figure out how to open it. Wait, maybe it's locked. Is it locked? Oh boy. Alright, we can't figure that out. And then you also have more closet space in here. And since this is an accessibility room, it has the grab where you can pull down to get your clothing. So there you go. Merida. There's a curtain here so that you can, the person that's sleeping in the sofa bed can close that curtain, or the people that are sleeping in there can close that space off from the people that are sleeping in the bed. Alright? This is on the Disney Destiny 9682.